अस्सलाम वालेकुम वरहमतुल्लाह। आज साइंस का टॉपिक 3 and 4 पढ़ेंगे। MCQ number 1 is sound is always produced by vibrating body. MCQ 2 is sound can travel through solids, liquids and gases. MCQ 3 is a sound having a pleasant effect on us is called pleasant or musical sound. MCQ number 4 is a sound having unpleasant effect on our ears is called noise. MCQ 5 is loud and unpleasant sounds all around us are called noise pollution. MCQ 6 is noise pollution causes damage to our ears and brain. Next MCQ is sound cannot travel in vacuum. Sound needs a medium to travel. Snakes don't have ears. They feel the vibrations by their tongue and detect their prey and enemy. Next MCQ is the pleasant effect of sound is option A music, option B loud sound, option C noise. The right answer is option A music. Next MCQ is sound cannot travel in option A liquid, option B sounds, option C vacuum, option D gases. The right answer is vacuum. The next MCQ is noisy environment is due to option A slow whine, option B unpleasant sound. The right answer is unpleasant sound, option B. The next MCQ is sound waves produced by option A smooth motion, option B vibrating motion. The right answer is option B vibrating motion. वीडियो में इस टॉपिक के वो तमाम MCQs और इम्पॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स मौजूद हैं जो अब तक डिफरेंट टेस्ट में आ चुके हैं। इस वीडियो में पास्ट पेपर के सब MCQs को कंपाइल कर दिया है, सो इट्स रिकमेंडेड टू वॉच द वीडियो टिल एंड. Loudness of sound varies directly with vibrating bodies is amplitude. Option A is the right answer. The next MCQ is sensation of sound persists in our brain for about option A 0.001 seconds, option B 0.15 seconds, option C 0.2 seconds, option D 0.1 second. The right answer is 0.1 second. The next MCQ is sound energy passing per second through a unit area held perpendicular is called option A intensity, option B quality, option C frequency, option D amplitude. The right answer is option A intensity. The next MCQ is sound waves have amplitude, frequency and wavelength. The right answer is option D. The next MCQ is pitch of sound depends upon option A frequency. The right answer. The next MCQ is sound passes from one place to another in the form of. इस चैनल पे पहले सीरीज स्टार्ट हुई है और आज हम उसका लेक्चर नंबर 3 पढ़ रहे हैं। अगर आपने साइंस सीरीज का लेक्चर नंबर 1 और 2 नहीं देखा है तो इस वीडियो की डिस्क्रिप्शन में लिंक मौजूद है, आप वहां से लेक्चर नंबर 1 and 2 देख सकते हैं. ऑप्शन ए रेस, ऑप्शन बी एनर्जी, ऑप्शन सी वेव्स, ऑप्शन डी लाइट. द राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी वेव्स. द नेक्स्ट MCQ is insulators do not let electricity to pass through them. The insulators examples are rubber, plastic, wood, glass. The next MCQ is the pathway of current is called a circuit. The next MCQ is when the wire is connected and the bulb is lit, this is called a closed circuit. The next MCQ is when the wire is disconnected and the bulb is off, this is called an open circuit. The next MCQ is the property of magnet to attract magnetic thing is called magnetism. The next MCQ is the things which are attracted towards the magnet are called magnetic field, magnetic material. If you are finding value in today's content, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. The things which a magnet does not attract are called non-magnetic materials. The like pole of magnet repels each other. The next MCQ is the opposite pole of magnet attract with each other. The next is magnets are used to lift heavy loads. The next MCQ is electromagnets are used in many appliances like TV, like radio and like fan, etc. The next MCQ is we need electricity to run an electric fan. The next MCQ is plastic and rubber cannot allow electricity to pass because they are option A conductor, option B soft, option C hard, option D insulator. The right answer is option D insulator. The next MCQ is North Pole represent the dash pole. इस चैनल पे पहले सीरीज़ स्टार्ट हुई हैं फिज़िक्स, साइंस, इस्लामियात, पाकिस्तानी स्टडीज़ एंड इंग्लिश। अगर आप उन सीरीज़ को देखना चाहते हैं तो डिस्क्रिप्शन में सबके लिंक्स मौजूद हैं। ऑप्शन ए नॉर्थ, ऑप्शन बी साउथ, ऑप्शन सी ईस्ट, ऑप्शन डी वेस्ट। द राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए नॉर्थ। द नेक्स्ट MCQ इज द पाथ थ्रू विच अ करंट फ्लोज इज कॉल्ड। ऑप्शन ए ड्राई सेल, ऑप्शन बी कनेक्टिंग wires, option C a bulb, option D circuit. The right answer is option D circuit. The next MCQ is the things which are attracted by magnets are option A non-magnetic, option B plastic, option C wood, option D magnetic. The right answer is magnetic. The things which are attracted by magnets are called magnetic things. The next MCQ is a magnetic field exists around option A iron, option B copper, option C aluminium, option D moving charges. A magnetic field exists around moving charges. The next MCQ is the use of permanent magnets is not made in option A magnetos, option B energy matters, option C transformers, option D loudspeakers. The right answer is option C transformers. The next MCQ is strength of magnetic field is known as option A flux, option B magnetic strength, option C density, option D magnetic flux density. The right answer is option D magnetic flux density. The next MCQ is weakest force in nature is option A electric force, option B gravitational force. The right answer is gravitational force. Weakest force in nature is called gravitational force. The next MCQ is in the left hand rule forefinger always represents। इस वीडियो में इस टॉपिक के वो तमाम MCQs और इम्पॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स मौजूद हैं जो अब तक डिफरेंट टेस्ट में आ चुके हैं। इस वीडियो में पास्ट पेपर के सब MCQs को कंपाइल कर दिया है। सो इट्स रिकमेंडेड टू वॉच द वीडियो टिल एंड। इन द लेफ्ट हैंड रूल forefinger always represents option A current, option B voltage, option C magnetic field. The right answer is option C magnetic field. The next MCQ is the phenomenon by which subtracts pieces of iron. Magnetism, naturalism, electromagnetism, materialism. The right answer is magnetism. The next MCQ is the straight line passing through the two poles of magnet is called option A real axis, option B Cartesian axis, option C magnetic axis. The right answer is option C magnetic axis, option D imaginary axis, but it's not a right answer. The next MCQ is a substance that attracts iron pieces. Option A conductor, option B semiconductor, option C magnet, option D all of the above. The right answer is substance that attract iron pieces are magnet. The next MCQ is magnetic moment is option A pole strength, option B universal constant, option C scalar quantity, option D vector quantity. The right answer is magnetic moment is a vector quantity. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe and share and hit the bell icon so you never miss any video of this educational journey.